Hi beauties! I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I am so excited to show you how to create this one all over eyeshadow look. I think this is the perfect look whenever you're in a rush and maybe you only have one eyeshadow or something like that randomly. And I'm using actually one of the trending shades for this year, which is a yellow, and it's going to look gorgeous. This is such a pretty summery springtime shade, and it's really just going to brighten up your eyes and your face. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into this look. So I'm going to be using one of the trending shades for this year, which is this beautiful yellow shade. So I'm going to be using out of the Voss Sugar Crystals palette, this really pretty shade called Banana. So find a shade that is similar to that, and then the only other shade, because I said that this was going to be one shade, the other eyeshadow that we're going to be using is this little single eyeshadow by Voss, and this is in Magic Hour. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. So those are the shades. So this one is actually optional, but I just think it adds extra dimension to the look. But of course, you can just use this one because even if you just use this yellow shade, it's just going to be gorgeous, and we will add some extra dimension, but it will make your eyes pop a little bit more if you use this yellow gold shade. So one of the most important things when you're applying eyeshadow is blending. So go ahead and grab your blending brush. So I'm going to be using this Farrah brush right here. This is the Eye Contour brush in 635E. So it's a really nice fluffy blending brush. This is a little bit bigger of a brush than I normally use, but because we are doing that one color all over, I really want to make sure that I'm using a bigger brush for that. Okay, and like I said, we're gonna take that banana shade. So excited for this. What we're going to do first is go ahead and start in the middle. So where your crease is, just want to go ahead and blend all of that in. And we really want this to be a bolder shade in the crease compared to the rest of the lid. And you will have to go over this several times, so just an FYI. But it's worth it, trust me. So next what we want to do is pack on that shade all over a lid and make that really nice and clean. So we're going to be using this flathead brush. This is by Spectrum, and this is their A07 brush. Okay, now that that is on, we are going to just go into the crease again, but we're going to bring it up just a little bit higher. And to do that, we're going to use this smaller blending brush, and this is by Spectrum. It's their B06. So again, just taking that banana shade, and we're just gonna bring it into the crease and just bring it up a little bit. Okay, next we are going to bring the shade out just a little bit wider. And to do that, we are going to use this small fluffy brush. It's more of a dense brush, so it'll be good to get that precise color pigmentation that we want. And this is by Spectrum, and it is the A12 brush. So what we're gonna do is just bring that outside and really make that a nice, deep, rich color. So we are going to take this yellow gold shade, and we are going to put that just on the first half of our lid. And to apply it, we are going to take that same flathead brush and just pop that on the first half of our lid. So you'll notice that this color blends in perfectly, which is the whole idea, for it to just look like one shade. But what that will do is just add a little bit of extra light and dimension into your eyeshadow. So now you can see that reflection, the gold kind of popping out there, and just adding that extra dimension to the look since we are using one shade. Next, what we are going to do is line the eyes. So we are going to use this really small flathead brush. It's not as dense as that other flathead brush that we used, but this is by Real Techniques, and this is their accent brush. So we are going to take that banana shade again, and we are just going to buff that underneath the eye. We don't really need it to be super precise or anything. This one you can actually get kind of messy because since we are just using that one shade, it's gonna look really nice to just bring that all around the eyes. Gorgeous! Lastly, what we are going to do is just pop that gold shade again in the inner corner, and we are going to use this small flathead brush because it's going to give us a really precise application. And this is by Spectrum, it's their A13 brush. So pretty. So lastly, what I'm going to do is just pop on some mascara, and then I'll be back to do our lip. Okay, I just popped on my mascara, and I thought I'd show you which one I used. I always do link everything I use in the video down below in the description if you're curious and you want to get those same products. But this one is by Almay. This is their Length and Lift Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. And this is actually the first time I've used this mascara, and I have to say I really like it. Go check out Almay. I have not used their products in so long, but I'm a fan of this one. Lastly, we are going to top off this look by sticking to our same color scheme. We're gonna use this lip gloss by Too Faced. This is their Peppermint Bark High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. This was part of their winter collection, and it is such a pretty gold color. I'll swatch it for you so you can see. This is what it looks like, and it just has a touch of pink because I've used this before as a lip topper on some of my pink lipstick, so just a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but we're just gonna pop this on. Okay, this is the completed look. What do you guys think? I really hope this was a helpful video for you and is giving you the courage to try a bold, bright color. Those are definitely trending this year, just due to COVID and masks. You know, you really do want to make your eyes pop, and this is such a subtle way to do that and use color, but at the same time create just such a gorgeous look. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye!